Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be letting y'all see how I got this beautiful look. So stay tuned and I'll be back. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. And in some of the clips or some of the video, I don't think it's any in there. Well, some of them not in there. I don't know what, I don't know, but stay tuned and I'll be back. Girl, she didn't curl nothing.
I'm scared. It's not sticky. It's not sticky. Mom, stop blinking. Mama, what are you doing? Oh my God.
Lift my eye up. When she get through with it, I'll show you. Cause no. So this is what it looks like. She has me laying down now because my eyes is
aggravating.
It does this, and I don't want her to poke my eye, but she thinks everything is funny, don't you? But this is what, this is what it looks like,
Bruh.
See, that's why I said I'll be back. So, I'll be putting it on my face. All over. I don't need that much, but this is what I do. Then I'm gonna take my foundation brush. And I have me a couture stick than the other one. What I'm gonna do is put that up here and down here. We're doing this on camera. And when I used up here is this right here. If y'all can see it. It is light C68638. So I put it on my eyes. I put some of the light on there too. Some of the light were on there too. So and this is what I got so far. And do the other side. And once again, for my, I don't put all that eyeliner stuff sitting there. I don't do all of that. I don't. I'll put that right there. Then what I'm going to do is, y'all probably looking like, what a natural look at. Yeah. I'm gonna put a little glitter on this too. And I'll be back. So I'm gonna use my concealer, and she better pick it up and put it under here. And right here, bring it on down. Right here and right here. And I'm going to be back. I'm going with this. Going in with this right here. And girl, shut up. Oh, everybody can get mad. See how it blended on there? That's what I'm doing, blending it on in. Yeah. Yeah. And then I'm going to go in with something else around my face too. I went on here and put this around my face, and I had used this right here. I can't find my other one because my kids mess so much. So, know what I meant? Nothing. So, shut up. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend this on out. They always messing in my stuff. I don't want nobody messing with their stuff. Where they do that at. And spray my spray on my face. And then go on ahead and make sure it get it right and tight. And, you know, all that good stuff in there. Then I'm going in with my eyeliner. And then my highlight, and I'll be done. So what I'm going to do is just buff my makeup in, buff it in. I did my eyeliner, and then I'm going to do my highlight, then my lips. And I'm going to go in with my highlight, and I'm going to use this one. And then use it right here, and then right there, right here, and right here. So that's with that. And then use it right here, and then right there, right here, and right here. So that's with that. Then what I'm gonna do is use this and put right here. I always do this. I ain't did it on other videos. But I always do this. Then I'm gonna go with my lips, and I'll be back. I put some of this on my lips. This is this. And then I'm gonna go on in with my lip gloss. And I'm gonna do my black eyeliner. To me, lip liner and eyeliner is the same. I don't care. And then I'm gonna try to use some of this. Lips kind of ashy, but that's all right. I put some of this on my lips. This is this. And then I'm gonna go on in with my lip gloss. And then I cleans it up. Ain't do much because I got lip rings in. I cleans it up. Make sure it look right. But this brush I had on. I have another brush, but I don't even know. I think my daughter took that. And then, I would put blush and all that on my face, but no, I'm not doing all that for what. So this is the final look. So thanks for watching my channel. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when me, post another video. So I don't have no earrings and all that stuff in there. That's fine. That's good. I have to make me some. But yeah, make sure you comment too. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.